Here's how it all went down. We were leaving the high school wrestling pickup area. We were picking up Hamilton. Grayson was in the back. Peyton was in the front. And me, I was the driver of the whole gang. Peyton had been sitting in the front, but when Hamilton climbed in, she got out of the car and moved to the back. You know, he's the oldest, and with siblings, this means he gets front seat priority. The music was on, all the doors shut. I heard seatbelts click, and off we went. Everyone got in the car, or so I thought.